Hey everyone, it's Tammy. I wanted to come on here and apologize for one way I look right now and apologize for being kind of MIA for the last few weeks. I know I haven't put up any videos in a while, and I just wanted to apologize for that. If you've been following me on Facebook or Instagram or anything, for those of you that follow me on that, you'll know that I've been posting that I haven't been feeling very well, and that's the reason why I look the way I do right now. Um, uh, I think a lot of y'all know that, I have a lot of really bad health issues, um, like fibro and lupus and RA and neuropathy and stuff. Well, that's been acting up on me really bad, and of course, sinus and allergies and stuff, and all that's been bothering me. But my doctors have been wanting to also. I've had some other issues come up where I just need some blood tests taken. So probably next week, if my daughter can get me there, we're going to have some blood tests drawn, because I've been just keep gaining and gaining excessive weight when I don't eat, because I dropped a lot of weight. Um, and I know weight fluctuates. My doctor, knows that my weight's always kind of fluctuated from the fibro and lupus. That's, a sign of that. But um, never have I gained this much weight, except for when I was on a medication that they tried on me, and I really gained a lot of weight from that. But when I was taken off that and switched, then of course that weight came off, and I never had a problem again. I've been on the same medications for years, so there's no reason for me to be gaining and gaining and gaining and gaining weight like this. So she's thinking it might be a thyroid problem or something, so she's just wanting to run a bunch of blood tests because she is really concerned. She's noticed, yes, she says, well, if I'm not, overeating, which I don't, because I rarely eat. I don't even intake 1,000 calories a day. Um, so um, I've even been keeping track of how many calories each that I eat now on my new phone. And yes, for those of you that don't know, I do have a new phone. My husband got us both a phone, so yay for that. But yeah, I keep track on just what I do eat, my intake on water and food, and yeah, I don't even intake half the time 1,000 calories a day. So, um, and how many steps when I walk. So I do walk a pretty good bit. Just around the house. I'm always up moving around, unless I'm like today. I was just because of being up all night last night, so therefore I didn't do a lot today. Um, but the last 3 days I really did a lot, and that's probably why. Um, I mean, around the house, so that's probably why I didn't sleep last night. Uh, and that was just trying to catch up. My phone's messing up here, focusing, I guess. I guess that's why I didn't sleep good. But yeah, it's been hard for me to keep with my videos, just because I'm so worn out by just trying to, just do daily tasks, daily living, daily chores. I mean, it's just been really hard lately because I'm just so worn out and tired. But I'm trying to, you know, get better at it. You know, I'm just worn out lately. So I do have several videos I need to do. Um, I got a little package in the mail. I need to do a video on that. I have several other videos that I'm behind on. So please just bear with me. Um, like I said, I'll want to try and get. I've got a video now waiting that I need to. It's been done. I just need to get it uploaded. Actually, I think it's uploaded. I just need to go finish. I think it's been uploaded, but I need to go get on the laptop and finish it. And so anyway, I'm just sorry that I've been so far behind, because I've been doing good. I've been trying to at least do a video or two each week. I try to at least do one a week for you guys. But like I said, the last couple of weeks I have just been exhausted, and it's just been real hard on me. So I just wanted to come on here and let everybody know that, you know, I'm sorry for not keeping up. And, you know, just please continue to pray for me, and I'm going to try and do better. And I want to thank all my new subscribers for subscribing, and I appreciate y'all. Appreciate you supporting me, my channel, and also to all my old subscribers. Appreciate you guys still for hanging in there with me all this time, and I promise I am going to try and do better. Hope that, you know, this next year is going to be a better year. I say that every year, and I hope and pray every year that it is going to be a better year for me. So, and that's all I can do is hope and pray that it is a better year for me. So, and I try to do my best. So, anyway, I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know a little bit what's going on, and I'll try to keep y'all in touch. And if y'all aren't following me on Instagram, if y'all are on Instagram, you can go follow me on Instagram, and it's the same name, Southern Angels. You can find me on there, and I usually try to post something about once a day. It's a little easier on there since it's just posting a picture of something. And then I have my Southern Angels on Facebook too, if you want to follow me on that. Yeah, I've gotten a lot better with my Instagram though, so I usually follow through with posting pictures on that a lot better than the Facebook now. And then I also tag a lot of people too, since I've gotten into people have gotten me into the doing the giveaways. So, and I've won quite a few things. Matter of fact, I just got a package in today that I need to share with y'all what I won from a lady that just sent me my package that I won from her shop. And they're just the cutest stickers, so I'll need to do a video on that, and I'll be, of course, posting it on Instagram first, showing the pictures. So, they're really cute stickers. I was very impressed with her shop, so I'll share that later in another video. But I want to do it justice because, like I said, I'm very impressed, and I want to feel better, and so I can do her shop justice. So anyway, just wanted to, I guess I just come on here and apologize to everyone for not doing anything in the last few weeks, and let y'all know that that I'm sorry, and hope y'all just please keep me in your prayers, and that I'm doing the best I can right now, and I'll try to get on here and make some videos just as soon as I can. So I thank y'all, and hopefully I'll see you again soon. So God bless. Bye bye.